right, Leisa Erickson here, Angle and Volker, St. Pete and St. Pete Beach. I hope you're doing awesome. Today, I am going to show you how to get the master suite of your dreams on a budget. All right, so you don't have a master suite, you want one. Who doesn't? I mean, come on, I do. So how do you get it? Well, first things, easiest way to get it is through a garage conversion. And I'm not talking about your mother's garage conversion. It's a very nice conversion. So we're standing right now in a breezeway. This breezeway we enclosed, well, actually it was enclosed before, but you can enclose it if you have one that's been open and you can air condition the space. That's number one. Number two, the entryway to this unit that's going down into the master suite is a very important component. You may say, oh my gosh, there's a step down. Making a point of entry for your master suite is a big consideration. So if you look down the steps, it's not finished. We're in the stage of just renovation right now. These steps create an entryway. You will notice we did a few things door-wise. You'll see black doors standing around. There's one here that's waiting to be installed here. We have black doors. For other things, again, going back to the cool factor of your renovation, do a few things that are not expected. So if you come down here, this was a garage, okay? So we did a conversion on this garage, used the existing space and the existing footprint to basically build a master suite of your dreams. Now, turn that way. This, my friends, is going to be a massive closet. A closet of your dreams. It'll have built-ins. It's gonna be magnificent. And so who wouldn't want that closet? That leads you to this direction here, which is to the master bedroom, which is going to be just lovely when we're all done with it. So you can do this too. It is totally in your power to get this done. We can help you, no worries, but this is how you achieve the master suite of your dreams for not a lot of money. So tune in again for do's, don'ts, tips, tricks from our group, Leisa Erickson Group with Angle and Volker's, St. Pete and St. Pete Beach. Talk to you soon.